A classic rooftop fight scene between these two majestic beasts. This is Wet Noodle, the one creeping around in the back, and in the foreground is Old Man Stubby. Seems to have lost his tail in previous battles. Wet Noodle is not sure he wants to run away. He's gonna slowly back away because Stubby's kind of scary. Stubby doesn't seem to give a beep, but he's gonna slowly creep back. And maybe Stubby won't even notice. Oh, Stubby noticed. Damn it. I'm gonna warn you now. This went on for a really long time, which I found like a meditation, but you might not. So we'll see how long you last with my video. Oh, Stubby's gonna get him. He's rearing up. He's his little. Oh, here he goes. He's gonna fight. He's gonna fight. This is the moment. Or not. Or they're just gonna look at each other. Alright, Wet Noodle. Let's do it. If I just move really, really slowly, Stubby won't notice. Oh, just slowly, because I'm so bored and I just gotta get down off this roof. I'm probably hungry. I'm thirsty. I just wanna go home. Just let me go home. Just let me go home, Stubby. Stubby's like, nah, I don't think so. At a certain point, even Old Man Stubby gets bored. He's like, I don't care anymore. I'm gonna take a nap. Stubster gets so bored, he starts looking at me and my dirty, dirty window. If you've made it this far, probably wondering, is there ever really going to be a fight scene here? And you'll have to wait and see. That's not a good sign, though. Definitely, really, he's one of the tiredest old bullies in all of Vancouver. I guess there's not really anything else to do for a raccoon because you have so much garbage to eat, so you're not really, fighting for your survival. He's even gonna pretend he's sleeping. Huh? But he's not. Wet Noodle at this point has been hanging off that my eave trough, for quite some time. He's getting really, really tired of all this, all the antics, and he's gonna maybe call Stubby's bluff. If he can work up the nerve, we'll see.